Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing this Vindstyrka from IKEA, and it connects to the IKEA Home Smart. So it's Zigbee, works with Zigbee, all of that stuff. Side of the back of the box, side of the box, and Vindstyrka. So it doesn't include the little power adapter, but it comes with the device and then a cable. If we open her up, it is a air quality control unit, so it'll tell you how good the air is in the room. Nothing else there. So you got one user manual that I don't think anybody ever reads. Whatever this thing is, nobody ever reads. And then one cable, and then the device itself. So power at the back here connects, obviously the little sensors, and then yeah. So if you guys have any questions about it or how it goes, this is my second one. So slowly I think I'll get a few for the room because I've got the air purifiers, which should then help with it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, drop a comment below. And thanks for watching.